Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and set up a Wise bank account. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, it will ask you what kind of account would you like to open today. Of course, we're going to go with the personal one. So this is going to be our bank account. But it's going to ask you an email address first before you go here. So I already registered with that. So you're just going to select your region right here. Just going to select mine. And then here is what you can do with Wise in your country. So you cannot invest money in mine, so beware of that when you're choosing yours. So here, just do your phone number, of course, and once you've done that, basically that's it. They will verify it, and now you have your Wise bank account set up. There will be verifications later on in the process of opening your Wise and depositing money, of course, and that's how it works. So once you have done this, there's going to be further verifications once you open this account. So once you enter your phone number, that's it. You're ready in. And that's how you open and set up your Wise bank account. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.